As a student, it's common to have expenses like coaching fees and daily living costs. However, as students, we face limitations in terms of skills and time, making it impossible to work or start a business. This restricts us from relying on our parents for money for everything. Consequently, it's natural for us to desire a monthly income of 5k to 10k rupees. In this video, I will unveil a completely automated system that allows you to effortlessly earn 5k to 10k rupees without any effort. So let's dive in. The business I am referring to is dropshipping. Some of you might be familiar with dropshipping, but for those who aren't, it involves obtaining goods from manufacturers, delivering them to customers, and earning substantial commissions. It really is as straightforward as that. If you are thinking of skipping this video, hold on. You won't have to invest any money or time. As I promised at the start of the video, this will be automated and free. This automated system comprises three components. First, searching for suppliers. Second, creating the brand. And third, generating passive income. When it comes to suppliers, it's important to understand the two types of dropshipping: Indian dropshipping and international dropshipping. As students, opting for Indian dropshipping is wise, as it saves time as opposed to international dropshipping, which can be time consuming and costly. We will choose Indian dropshipping, and for this we can opt for Meesho, Glorod or Roposo. In this case, I will use Meesho as my supplier. We have our supplier sorted, and now it's time to create a brand at zero cost. For creating a brand, we need a store name, logo and OLH. For choose the name of your store, I am using a tool named Jarvis to generate the store name and description. If you want to use this tool, you can find the link in the description. Alternatively, you can use Gemini or ChatGPT to generate the name of your store. Now we need to create a logo. For this, I am using Canva. Ensure that your logo is unique and professional. Once you have the logo and the website, create a new account on socialseller.com and follow my steps to set up an online store. There are two types of stores: general store and a one niche store. I recommend opting for a one niche store, as this can save time and generate revenue faster. The top niches you should consider are electronics, sports and fitness, kitchen accessories, and clothing. For example, if you choose sports and fitness, search on Instagram for the best fitness products. Review various reels showcasing different products, and then search for trending products on Meesho. Afterward, transfer the images of the Meesho to the social seller shop. Now you have your own brand, which you can promote for free among your friends and relatives. Whenever an order is placed, Meesho fulfills the order based on the customer's information. Alternatively, you can post images of Meesho products on OLX for free and start receiving orders. This way, you can establish a passive online income of 5k to 10k. That's all for today's video. If you want a detailed guide on how to attract free clients, leave a comment below. In the meantime, you can watch my Jarvis playlist or the SaaS startup video where we discuss earning money by deploying free apps online until the next video.